Want to tone your lower body at home? In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best resistance band exercises to strengthen your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, all from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. First up, banded squats, a powerhouse move for your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Place the band just above your knees, stand shoulder-width apart, and squat down while keeping tension on the band. Go for 15 reps. Next, we have glute bridges. Lie on your back, feet hip-width apart, and place the band above your knees. Press through your heels and lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. Try 15 reps. Now let's work the outer thighs with side-lying leg raises. Lie on one side, keep the resistance band around your thighs, and lift your top leg. Keep tension on the band. Do 12 reps per side. For a serious glute burn, try kickbacks. Loop the band around your ankles, stand tall, and kick one leg straight back. Squeeze at the top and control the movement. 12 reps per leg. Finally, lateral band walks help strengthen the hips and thighs. Keep the band around your knees, squat slightly, and take small steps side to side. Go for 20 steps. And that's it. These 5 resistance band exercises will help tone and strengthen your lower body fast. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home workout tips.
See you next time.